How to check location setting on Snap Map. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn about checking the location setting on Snapchat. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Snapchat application on your mobile device. And you are also logged in with your specific account. Now simply tap and launch the application. Once you do, click on the profile picture icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now click on the setting icon in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and then go to see my location option. Once you do that, you will be able to access your location setting, from where you can update your location setting and share a more accurate location with your friends that update while the Snapchat is in the background. If you wanna go to ghost mode, you can just simply tap the beach on over here, and when this is enabled, your friend will not be able to see your location and track you. Moreover, if you want to change other setting related to your location, you can go ahead and click on this change in settings that is highlighted in blue color, and this will take you to another whole page that is the system setting. From here, go to permissions and then scroll down and go to location, and if you did like to allow location for your snap map, you can go ahead and click on allow all time, allow only while using the app, or ask every time before the Snapchat access your location. You can just simply click on don't allow and you will be done. So this is exactly how you can check the location setting on Snap Map. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.